Hello, my name is Alex, and today I will show you guys my real-time system project, which is a Bop It, which, as we all know, is the toy where it's like Bop It, and you have to bop it or other instructions, and the timer goes faster, and you have to complete that task in order to continue winning, and once you fail, you lose. So this is my version of it from Ars Logix 500. It's the software / programming that I used. And we have the tower light, emergency button, push button, photo eye, power supply, my terminal for positive and ground, and another photo eye. And then my game works as the emergency button gets pressed, it starts a game. Orange light means the user has to use the photo eye, so scan it. And then red button red light, sorry, means photo eye number 2, and then white light means the button, and then you win. And then any failure, as mean wrong inputs, equals green light, or you took too long equals green light, which is you lost. So let's showcase it. So let's start the game. Boom. And then we gotta scan the photo eye. Oh, okay. And then now the red light got on. I don't know if you guys saw that one. And then push button, we win. Woo. And then let's show you guys the failure. Sorry, I gotta twist this. It's an emergency button. All right, so the failure, let's just wait. And we failed on time. Let's play again. So let's scan the first one. And then we miss input. Boom. Oh, we lost. All right, so it works like that on any of the lights. And why this is a real-time system project is because there are the schedules of the timers and the task, which only takes 0 seconds to do, or very small amounts of seconds, because the processor kind of scans really fast. So once you put the input, it finishes the task. So, but the user has to do this task. So the first 10 seconds, orange light comes on, and anytime you have to scan that photo eye, or else you will get the green light, deadline failure, or you lose, or incorrect task done, and you lose. So same thing with the 10 to 18 seconds, which is the red light. Failure to scan the second photo eye is loss, and so on with the white light. So yeah, this is my Ars Logix code. But let's talk about the initial project, which was to make the Bop It game, which I successfully has done. I got the failure light working, every condition of correct inputs and all that. So that's nice. And the second stage of the project that I wanted to work on was randomizing this sequence and continuing this sequence, because we only got through 3 sequences. I wanted to make it like random, to where the user still does the same inputs, but it's going to be in random order, and the timer gets shorter and shorter to make it more difficult. But that's a bit of a task to do on here, at least with my idea of this programming. And I was thinking about doing fake random, where I put a timer in, and like whatever timer number it was on when I start the game, it would generate like a different sequence. But that's kind of cheesing and a lot of coding. All right, so yeah, the challenges were like the errors. I didn't think about like the double hitting, or the timer. You just forget about these things. So I would say, for the lesson learned doing this project for future students, is to try to fix one missed logic or error at a time. Don't try to put too much variables, like finish one and actually test if your program is still running correctly, because fixing something or making it correct might mess up the other parts, and you might miss it, and then later you find out, and then when you find out later, not so good. You gotta backtrack and fix. All right, so thank you for watching. That's it.